Don't worry about it.
Oh no, back
This.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Ben. It's Easy, aka Benny Mannequin, coming to you live from the Mannequin studio. And in today's video, we have a special guest in the studio. It's an invasion. You know what it means. We know what we do out here. But actually, today I'm trying out something new. Hold on, let me take this camera up because you know your boy's tall. All right, we can see ourselves better now. Okay, so yeah, you know, I'm actually trying something out, something new, something different that I've never done before. I'm gonna be styling. But without further ado, I'm gonna welcome my friend. You can come to the camera. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cheese and we're around here on Mannequin's channel.
Hold on, let me, you know, cause me, I'm not tall. So
Oh my God. Can you leave it?
I have to know it. Now I'm moving. Alright, like I was saying. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cheese and we're around here on Mannequin's channel. And you know what we're doing today, right?
Okay.
You know?
Shit.
Okay.
I'm actually going to move it back up because sorry guys, but yeah. So as I was saying, today I'm going to be styling him. And first of all, I'm going to be asking him a couple of questions. So first of all, what do you think about style in general?
What do I think about style in general? It's like, let's say it's like your language, more or less, like your own type of language. So like, you can't copy someone's style, because if you copy someone's style, then you're unoriginal. You dress the way you want to dress, and that's your style. So like, style is unique. Style is very, very unique. So like, the way you do your stuff, the way you do your things, that's your style. Like, no one can do you like you.
So how would you define my style?
More classy actually. Like, but button-up shirts, suit pants. I guess, yes, you also do streetwear, but more like your streetwear is more like olden, like old, like 90s, 80s type streetwear. Like,
yeah, mind you, this is like my oldest, one of my oldest friends that I still message.
Day 1, 0.
Yeah. So like, when anything he's saying is most likely fact. I think we can get to the first fit. So the way this video is gonna go, I'm gonna show what he's gonna be wearing. I'm gonna get his reaction first of all to like it without being on his body, and then we're gonna switch to a B-roll. Is that okay? All right, let's get to the first fit.
You didn't get that one correctly. Like this.
So yeah, so he said he's more like a street person. So I think I'm gonna start out with like putting him in something that he's almost used to. All right, guys. So we're about to switch to B-roll real quick. I just wanted to give you guys a run through on what we have. You might not be able to see everything, but from the top, this is Uniqlo. I got it like what? I can't remember when, but this is a Uniqlo tee. He likes the fit, so we're doing something good so far. Let's see.
Wave check, wave check.
Oh my God.
Wave check, wave check. Hold up. You see this water? You see this water? You see this water? I'll come back.
Alright guys, so we're moving on to the next outfit. That first outfit, honestly, because we just shot it on my balcony, but we're gonna take our talents outside. But what do you think? What do you think about the first outfit so far?
That was cool. I liked it. I mean, putting on my glasses and bucket hat was kind of blocking my eyes, but it was cool. Actually, I liked the fit. It was mad.
Alright, so without further ado, let's get to the next fit. Alright guys, so for the next fit, it's hot right now in Boston. But for the next fit, since it's hot, we're gonna go with brighter colors. A white shirt and some nice pants, so you can go to the beach or something. Already, I don't know what's that face for?
This nigga wants to make me wear bomb shorts too.
Nah, bro, it's not.
Look at the length of these things. These are panties, bro. These are. Oh
you know
my
what?
God.
You know what? When you put them on, you let me know what you think. All right? Deal? All right, let's get it. So guys, that was the second outfit. We're about to move to outfit number 3. I just want to hear what he thinks because already he was kind of uncomfortable. So what do you think?
It was alright. It was cool. I do not fuck with these shorts. Do you? I don't do like they're a bit
You've seen the video.
bit too skimpy. Okay, yeah, sorry, yeah, a bit too skimpy. You know, too much skin out here, looking like a whore.
I mean, you're supposed to show some. They're like, it's your legs. You're supposed to show like what you've been putting work in. Let's move on to the next fit. The next fit is more like my type of style, but we kind of have the same build, so I feel like it's going to bang on this one. All right, let's get it. Alright guys, that's the end of the video.
What's good?
Honestly, this video is very because we're kind of in a rush, but have to bang out the videos for you guys, give you guys some bangers, you get me? But what do you think about the fit? So
this one was fire. This was some GTA Vice City.
Nah, I knew you would like
vibes on this, yeah, this is hot. I know you like this one. I know you like this one.
Right,
bro.
Anyways, guys, at this point, it's the end of the video. I was just trying out styling. I'm probably gonna be having more styling videos in the future. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow my Instagram to see the pictures. I'll also follow him on the gram to see the pictures, and he has a lot more stuff and content. Just be entertained. We're still in quarantine, so have a good rest of your day.